How to find all archived email in Gmail. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So for that, first of all, you want to go ahead and open any browser in your PC. Once you open the browser, in the search bar, search for mail.google.com and then go ahead and sign in to your Gmail account. Now once you're signed in, to find archive emails in your Gmail, the first method is simply use all mail label. For that, you want to go ahead and tap on more, scroll below and then tap on all mail. You can simply go ahead and find all of your archived mail in all mail section. Scroll through the list and use the search bar at the top to find specific mail. Now the method 2 is simply search with filters. You can use the search bar and then enter keywords, the sender's email or subject related email. When you search for the username in the search bar, Gmail will show archive email in the results. Also, archive emails does not have inbox label but remain in your account under all mail section. That ends the video guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.